Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong April 2026. General reading, so pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services, no? Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto niyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph at mrqueenph.com. Or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Ayan. Or email nyo na lang ako, mrqueenph@gmail.com. So, Gemini, ano yung energies ng love life? Anong parating? Love life for Gemini ngayong April 2026. Healing is not a competitive support. Okay. So, iba sa inyo, pwedeng merong person from the past na gusto mong ipakita na nakapag-heal ka na from this person. Bawa, yung ex mo. Gusto mong pakita na, oy, tapos na ako, healed na ako, naka-move on na ako. Hindi naman yun competition. Kasi kung totoong healed ka na, wala ka nang pakialam doon sa iisipin ng ex mo or ng other person, whether this is romantic or sa family or sa love life. Your growth scares people. Wow! Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, you feel like merong intense surge of energy for you na parang you want to show them na you are doing well, or kumbaga parang pinapakita mo na maraming pagbabago sa'yo for the better. And sa totoo lang, marami rin namang nagugustuhan nyo na parang pwedeng ito yung mga matatagal nang hindi ka nakikita or walang balita sa'yo, tapos biglang, oops, may nag-check on you, no? Chinek ka. And nagulat sila sa mga achievements mo. So, maaring part din yan ng, pagpapakita mo na you are healed or tapos na yung paghihirap mo or tapos na yung pain na pinagdaanan mo. But syempre, at the end of the day, ikaw yung makakapagsabi sa sarili mo kung talaga bang healed ka na. And regardless, no, kung nauna kang nag-heal o yung person mo from the past, it doesn't matter. Ang importante yung nag-heal ka. 'Di ba? You are loving yourself more. Your comfort zone is a trap. Okay. So, pagdating sa comfort zone, trap talaga yan. Kasi, ayan yung tipong wala tayo, hindi tayo naghahanap ng pagbabago. No? So, I think some of you, yun yung babaguhin nyo ngayong April, na aalis kayo sa comfort zone ninyo. Kasi nga gusto nyo nang makarecover, gusto nyo na mag-heal, gusto nyo na mag-move on. And it's time to step up, no? Step into your own power. What else, Gemini, love life? You have the world. This is about accomplishment. This is closing a chapter ng buhay mo. You also have the Knight of Cups. So this is love for yourself. Some of you naman, kung talagang nakapag-heal ka na, no, malalaman mo rin naman yan. Alam mo yan sa sarili mo kung nakapag-heal ka na. The person, no, merong person, new person is going to come into your life. Like, a new person. Merong, kumbaga, you will attract new person sa buhay mo dahil yung nagra-radiate ka ng positive energies na kung saan mas attractive ka. Oo, mas attractive ka. So, the person, pwedeng siya, water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, o kaya naman ay Capricorn. So, meron din ditong pareho mo na air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And pagdating din sa relationship, mas natuto ka na, no, from your previous connections. Mas maingat ka na ngayon. You are protected as you face any adversity. O, diba? You know how to protect yourself. You know how to protect your energies. Mas ka na ngayon malakas. Kasi yung mga pinagdaanan mo in the past relationships, yun yung nagpatatag sa'yo. Yun din yung nagbigay sa'yo ng pagkakataon para mag-transform at mag-evolve. Love may challenge your boundaries, protect them. Yes, so this time, you are protecting your boundaries. Hindi ka na yung tipong laging available sa person, no? Or you know how to say no, 'di ba? Long distance, love knows no distance, it just has time and space. So, some of you, pwedeng ang inyong connection or relationship ay long distance, or yung nagkaroon kayo ng relationship before na nagkaroon na kayo ng distance sa isa't isa ngayon, na parang you don't get to see each other, na yun na rin yung nakatulong para move on at maka-move forward ka na. Okay, oops. Okay. Feelings. Healing, o 'di ba? Healing nga talaga for some of you, Gemini. Healing begins with feeling. Be gentle with yourself and tender with your heart. Yes. So, paano ka mag-heal kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung sugat, 'di ba? O, kaya kailangan alam mo kung ano ba yung naging problema, ano yung i-heal mo, 'di ba? So that you will be gentle to yourself na, okay, ito yung kailangan ko pagdaanan, ito yung na-experience ko, ito yung paraan para makapaghilo. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.